Homes that sell for top dollars are the ones most skillfully marketed. Hi, I'm Benjamin Tetzlaw with Coldwell Banker, Preferred Real Estate in Steinbach. Are you thinking of selling your home? To sell your home, I will discover to what questions your home is the best answer. What can you claim that your competition can't? What question will elicit your home to not just a suitable, but the best choice? This may surprise you, but the goal of marketing is not to sell your home. It is simply to getting buyers and agents interested in taking a look, to meet them face to face, to get emotionally invested. Buyers have to want it, and if they do, price becomes less important. The best marketed home is the one that remains top of mind and stands for reasons meaningful for the buyer. I want to help you to discover and share your home's unique story. Please contact me to learn how I will help you sell your home faster and for greater net proceeds. Contact info is in the link below.